Welcome to Data Beats Opinion, where we unlock the secrets to your hidden profits. I'm your host, Ian, and today we have a query from Martin in London. He wants to know, how can I create a custom dashboard that highlights the return on investment from our marketing campaign and the number of new subscribers gained? Excellent question, Martin. Let's uncover the power of custom dashboards in SegMetrics. Putting together an insightful and visually compelling report for your clients is an essential part of marketing. It underlines the success of your strategies, highlighting the ROI and demonstrating the subscriber growth achieved from the campaign. Having a custom dashboard at your disposal allows you to convey all this key information concisely and effectively, building credibility with your clients. The ability to construct such a dashboard means you can create a compelling narrative that showcases the success of your efforts. Often we get asked, is technical expertise required to create custom dashboards? The good news is, with SegMetrics, creating a custom dashboard is a breeze. Another common question is, can I choose the data to display? Absolutely. SegMetrics offers the flexibility to highlight the metrics that truly matter to you and your clients. Let's start by launching our dashboard panel and selecting New Dashboard. While SegMetrics offers a variety of ready-to-use custom dashboards, we'll craft one from the ground up for now. We'll begin by adding two widgets, one to track ROI and another for new leads. We can then customize each widget to track the specific campaign for this dashboard. The ROI widget offers a clear view of the campaign's profitability, and the new leads widget displays the growth in subscribers from your campaign. All of these widgets can be arranged and customized using graphs, tables, or KPIs. And just like that, you have a custom client-ready dashboard. For more in-depth guidance, visit our blog for a detailed tutorial on creating custom dashboards in SegMetrics. You can also explore our sales velocity report to understand the pace of your subscriber growth, another vital piece to the story to add to your client's dashboard. Thank you for tuning into Data Beats Opinion, Martin. Keep those questions coming, and let's uncover more hidden profits together. Until then, happy data crunching.